Okay, boys and girls, your art lesson is based on this story, The Dot. So every one of you is going to get a sheet of white paper and make sure that you write your name clearly on the back in pencil for me. Now on your table you'll find that you've got shape tracers and they're all shaped as a circle, okay? And then you're going to have a selection of coloured paper, little squares of coloured paper, and you can choose the colours that you want to use. So take a shape tracer, pick a coloured square, put the shape tracer down, and with a pencil you use your one hand to hold the shape tracer and the other pencil to go round the very edge. Okay, so go round the edge, hold that shape in place, and when you've got it drawn you should have the shape of a circle, just like that. Now using your scissors, remember I've told you how to hold scissors. You put your thumb in the smaller hole and your fingers in the bigger hole at the bottom. Then, best scissor control, you go round and follow that line, okay? So that you can cut out your best circle. Now this is going to be a dot. And you're going to do this 2 or 3 times, getting different colours. And you can use the different sizes of the shape tracers. And 1, 2, 3, I've cut 3 out already. Now with a glue stick that you'll find on your desk, just twist it up just ever so slightly so you've got a little bit. Don't twist it so it's too high. Now go round the edge of your dot and place it where you wanted it on your paper. I'm going to go round the edge. I'm going to place it higher up. I'm going to make sure that I've got a gap, and round the edge of this one, nice big gap. Now I've got 3 dots, but I'm not finished yet. Now I've got a box of markers, and I'm going to take a black out first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go round and free draw around my dots. So I'm going to make them a bit bigger. I'm going to change my colour, or you can stick with the same colour you've got in your hand. And I'm going to go round again, but I'm going to do a different pattern this time. This time I'm doing wavy lines. I'm going to go wavy. This one I'm going to go zigzag. So you can change and experiment. Okay, this is your opportunity to have some fun. And I will do a scalloped line around this one. Now don't worry that you don't understand the words of the lines that I'm using, because we're going to be learning these in the next few weeks. Now as we go around we can make some more. Okay, so I'm making dots with line designs going around them in different colours, and I'll go wavy lines around to this one. Wavy. Now you see I'm not going over the previous lines. I'm going to change this colour out, and I'll do a wavy one around this one too. And I've got the orange in my hand, and I'm just going to do one more. I'm just going to do a loop. It's like a big spring, going round and round and round and round and round. Okay, and join it up. Now I'm going to put my markers to the side. Now you can see, boys and girls, that I've still got some white paper and space left in my painting. So every table is going to have a palette of paint. Now I'm just going to do a couple of colours here. Do circles, dots. I'm going to do some yellow ones, okay? Now remember, boys and girls, when you go to change your colour, you need to rinse your brush in the water, okay? We've talked about this, before you change into a new colour. Alright? Now I'm going to finish this off, and you'll be able to see the finished product at the very end. Now, boys and girls, it is your turn to make some art. Now remember, the first things you need to do is trace your circles, cut them out, and then you're going to do some designs around those dots, and then you're going to paint some dots to finish off. But don't overlap your dots, leave them all individual, and then you're going to make a lovely composition. And this is your dot art project. So let's go and make some art.